Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do a love bite for you. Let's see what's happening in your love life, or in general what you need to know today. Sagittarius, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. Angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Sagittarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Saggis, as always, let's top it with a blessing card from our angels. See how my angels are going to bless you. So my angels, a blessing or an advice card for my Sagittarius gang, please. All right, this one. Thank you. Let's put these back, Sagittarius. And the card I have for you is reward. So what have you been doing, Sagittarius? The universe wants to reward you with something. So it's either something good is coming your way, Sagittarius, or it could be time that you need to give yourself a pat on the back. Right? You need to do something nice for yourself, reward yourself, or this sometimes also means that you are going to be rewarded for all your hard work that you're putting in. Okay? So let's keep this here. I wonder why this is here. Let's see. Let's open your cards and check it out. So welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being a part of the Omkara family and showing up for me. I'm really blessed and I thank you. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our channel. Do subscribe and become part of us. We welcome you in. So Saggis, this is going to be a mini read, just a 9-card spread to check on your energies. And keep in mind, I could be picking up your energy. I could also be picking up the energy of your cross watcher. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, you can reach me. My email is in the description box below. So, 3 of Cups in reverse, bottom of my deck, Saggis. Worried about a reunion, it seems. Okay, let's open your cards and check this out. The first card I have for you is the Moon, Saggi. 6 of Wands, the Lovers, 7 of Cups, the Devil, 6 of Pentacles, King of Cups, 5 of Pentacles and the Star. So some things are becoming a bit clear to you now, Saggi. Maybe about certain things which were stressing you out. Maybe you were in the dark about certain things, but whatever you are getting to know now is actually kind of serving you well. It's removing the blindfold from your eyes, it's removing the stress from your life. You kind of actually feeling quite victorious here. Some news has been revealed to you. You have heard something which is actually helping you get out of your head and feel rather good and victorious here. You're actually feeling rather happy, stable, excited, and you feel, yes, it's time maybe to make some choices. After a period of time where there has been no balance in your life, maybe certain things were hidden, you were not sure of how to go about things, but now since you've got to know about whatever you've got to know, you are actually feeling rather good and you feel, hey, it's time maybe to make some choices where I don't have to be in confusion anymore. Yes, I think, Saggis, you've been pretty restless and wondering what choice to make. But I do see here, Sagittarius, things are becoming a bit clear, Saggis, but whatever news you're getting actually is leading to a fight of some sort. Now you're getting clear, you're releasing the devil, you're releasing the attachment, but it's not without a fight. Right? You feel whatever you've done or whatever has been done has actually kind of backfired on you. Why is the devil in reverse, Spirit? Why is the devil in reverse? What is Saggi releasing? Maybe somebody is returning to your life, Sagittarius, and you're actually looking for something to work out, but certain news that you've received is kind of not making you feel very happy here. One more. Yeah, you feel there's a lot of stagnancy. Maybe somebody is trying to emotionally manipulate you here. You feel, kind of left out in the cold. You've really been stressing about this. You feel somebody is not revealing everything to you. Yes, there is still a lot of heartbreak regarding the situation, Sagittarius. Maybe you have got to know some news where you felt that things can be put right. Whatever was out of balance, maybe now some choices will be made. But whatever you have heard has actually kind of not made you feel your best. Yeah, it's left you back in the stuck position. You really thought you could make some movement, somebody from your past is returning. So then why is the star in reverse, Spirit? Why is the star in reverse here? One more. I think you both are on different pages here, Sagittarius. You were looking forward to somebody returning, somebody who you thought could put things right, but you feel that even with this return, things have actually gotten worse, and you may have to release some things, or somebody's been manipulative towards you. They are still into their own happiness, their own wish fulfillment. I see you waiting for some kind of news of equal partnership or equal give and take regarding a situation which didn't work out in the past. Yes, you want somebody to make a decision here. You want somebody to apologize or give you a love offer. You want to feel victorious regarding it. You don't want to be at crossroads anymore. But right now the star is still in reverse. So twice over it's come. There is still something nagging doubt that you have that when this person returns, it may not go in the right direction, and it just may backfire. Sagittarius, you are trying to manifest something beautiful for yourself, right? But I don't think you are manifesting it the right way. Here you are wishing and hoping and manifesting, but I think you're kind of manifesting it in a way which is confusing to the universe. It's like almost like saying, I want things to work out, but I think it's going to go the wrong way. Or I want balance to be brought back, but I think I'm going to be manipulated. I want equal partnership, but I think it's going to backfire. So just be a little mindful, Sagittarius. If you are manifesting this way, it's really not going to bring you the happiness that you're seeking. Okay, so I do see somebody here, Sagittarius. This could be you, this could be your cross watchers energy. Whoever's expecting to hear from somebody who they are going to maybe catch up after a long time, hoping for things to be better but expecting the worst. Okay, so there is a feeling that it may or may not work out. You're not really sure. So just be mindful, Sagittarius, of the way you are manifesting these things. So what are these rewards, Sagittarius, which can be promised for Sagittarius spirit? So what are these rewards? Yes, somebody is returning. That dream of yours may come true, Sagittarius. If you have been waiting, if you are looking forward to somebody returning back to your life, that's definitely going to happen. And you may even receive a small love offer or something. And I see you waiting here. Just be mindful of how you're manifesting this, because how it's going to go from there, it's going to be totally in the way you're manifesting it. Okay, so let's just take 3 cards of advice for you, Sagittarius. 3 cards of advice for Sagittarius to have the best possible outcome. Best possible outcome for Sagittarius. One more. Best possible outcome for Sagittarius. Sagittarius, right now you're stuck, right? You feel rather stuck. You are trying to, get some knowledge about what's going to happen, get some enlightenment. Right now, I think you're feeling nothing is going to really work out. So, what Spirit is saying, instead of being in this mode of expecting the worst, it's better to talk about it, right? Instead of keeping things to yourself, maybe if you can talk about it and expose some secrets or speak to the person about exactly what's in your heart, it may kind of bring you the reward that you are looking forward to. Let's take one card of clarification. Hangman Spirit. Yes, there is a bit of delay here. You really don't know which way this is going to go. So Hangman with the Nine of Pentacles in reverse is delay, waiting, hoping, wishing, but not knowing how it's going to turn out. Ten of Swords, Spirit. Ten of Swords. One more. You are in between, Sagittarius. You are expecting somebody to take action towards you and maybe offer you something which is going to be committed in long term, right? So, right, the way you're feeling right now, it can go either way. It can either end an old chapter of your life or it can start a brand new one. What you have to do is not have a fight. Okay, if you're feeling betrayed and left and down and out, just try and speak from your heart, to say things which doesn't lead to a fight or a conflict. Try and avoid having an argument at all costs. High Priestess Spirit in reverse. High Priestess. Advice for Sagittarius. Yes, here you are confused again, right? So when you have this conversation with the High Priestess energy in reverse, that means, speaking from your heart. Make sure your conversation is not confusing or all over the place, or it will end not in a very good way, to be honest. Okay, so make sure you are not speaking in a confused kind of way or all over the place. Make sure your communication skills are precise. And yes, there is a possibility of things turning around for you. So be mindful, Sagittarius. That's all I can say. Your reward is coming. It's how you're going to deal with it. All right. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.